Hey guys, it's Corey with Buying Houses in Nashville. We just got finished with a closing here with Michael and Michelle at the closing company. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
And I just wanted to ask you about your experience with us. Just tell us a little bit about what happened. I think Michael and Michelle were outgrowing their old house and they wanted to sell it. And so I guess you want to just tell me a little bit about the experience with us.
Everything was great.
It was easy, lovely.
Easier than I imagined.
Wasn't too hard,
Yeah, life.
People to work with.
Okay.
Understanding,
And straightforward.
Yep.
From start to finish.
Good. Simple.
Never
easy.
any doubt.
Good. All right. Well, life is hard enough. It's good to have something that's easy and simple once in a while, I guess. So, congratulations, you guys, and it was a pleasure working with you.
You too.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.